For those who've been following my journey, as you know, I've been talking about my right knee and how I've been using BFR to help decrease the loading on the joint whilst using it to maintain the muscle mass, and also the pain that I've been having with it. So tomorrow I'm going in for surgery, small procedure, walk in, walk out. I'm just going to get my ACL cleaned up because there's a fair bit of degeneration going on there. So I've got a few strategies that I'm going to share with you over the next few days. Now what I'm going to do tonight at the moment, I've got my trusty BFR cuffs on, and I'm going to use this as ischemic preconditioning the day before and also the morning of, and this helps around protecting on cell injury, and there's been actually lots of evidence about creating that protective mechanism. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to obviously use ice post-operation. Quite lucky, got a game ready that I've been able to borrow, so I'm going to put that on my knee. Nutrition wise, I'm going to keep it really simple. Obviously eat healthy, but two things: one, fish oils, but also using bone broth, because both of those have been shown to be quite good around joints and in terms of recovery. So I want to make sure I maximize my recovery. It should be quite short. I should be right to go in about 1 to 2 weeks, but I think this is a good process to document so that if anyone's getting an operation out there, they can see what they do. If you don't have a game ready, you can use just ice and just simple compression. Quite lucky. So I've got my cuffs on, ischemic preconditioning. I'm going to do this 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off, 5 times through tonight and tomorrow morning when I get up or on the way to the hospital, and then I'm going to start the journey. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some measurements of my quad. I'm going to take it in 3 positions just so I can have that feedback on how my quad's progressing post-operation, because I want to make sure that I don't lose too much bulk, and when I return to normal function that I've at least got the hypertrophy or the musculature back in that quad. Wish me luck. I'll document it each day. If you have any questions or things that you want to know or want to see, please let me know, and join me along on this short yet interesting journey.